Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ here. This week I'm making smoked beef cheek sliders on the Pit Boss Pellet Grill. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we have our two beef cheeks. I'll just trim them up a bit, get rid of some of the fat. So beef cheeks they're quite a tough cut because obviously they do a lot of work. So there's a lot of connective tissue in here that we have to cook them for quite a long time for all that to break down. But a lot of these pieces here, they're just not going to break down. So it's best just to get rid of them. You can see how marbled these things are, and that's just going to render and go just melt in your mouth. So it's really just that white skin that I'm going to get rid of today. Alright, so once the beef cheeks are trimmed up, I'm going to give them a coat of this Traeger coffee rub. And I'm going to sprinkle quite a bit of that on there. I want these to sort of form quite a nice bark. So do a nice generous coat on one side, flip them over and do the other side. Now once both sides are done, I'm just going to roll it around so all the edges are coated as well. And that's it. Pretty simple. So now we'll go and get them on the grill. So now I've got the Pit Boss up to 120 degrees or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm just going to put these beef cheeks straight onto the grill. And I'll put the probe of my Weber iGrill too, just straight into the middle of these beef cheeks. And that's it. I'll just leave that in there for about 3 hours and we'll come check on it then. So while the beef cheeks are on the grill, I'm just going to start cutting up some onions because I'm going to braise these beef cheeks with onions and a beef stock. So just slice the onion up pretty roughly. And I'll just throw it all into a foil tray. Spread it out a bit. Now I've got just a plain beef stock here. Just going to pour a bit in and save a bit in the bottle. So we'll pour it on the beef cheeks on the grill. So now these beef cheeks, the internal temperatures come right up and they're well and truly cooked. But we want these to be super tender. So I'll just place them into the foil tray and pour over that beef stock. Now I'll just take a sheet of foil and cover that tray nice and tight so that none of that steam escapes as it boils, and that's just going to help these go super tender. So I want them to fall apart so that I can just put them into these sliders. So that's looking good. Now I'm just going to leave those in the grill for another 2 hours and we'll come back and check on them. So I've just put that probe back in there while they were cooking, just to keep an eye on it from inside. Now these are looking real good. That probe's just going into them with no resistance at all, just like butter. So that means they're ready. So we'll take them in and pull them apart. Alright, so here they are, nice and hot. I'm gonna pull them out You can put that stock aside and you can pour it over when these things are broken up if you want, or make a sauce or something with it. But I'll start pulling them apart with a fork. But they're probably easier just to get in and pull them apart with my fingers, and they're just coming apart super easy. Nice and moist inside. Nice smoke ring on there. Nice charred bark. These are going to be so good, I can't wait to eat them. Definitely not going to need any sauce or gravy. Look at that, that looks so good. Nice and juicy. The fat's just rendered down amazingly. So now I've just made them into sliders, put a bit of coleslaw in there. Yeah, haven't added any sauce. They're just gonna be real good. Alright guys, so that's the smoked beef cheek sliders on the Pit Boss Pellet Grill. I'm gonna go get stuck in, but if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends, and we'll see you again next time.